This video shows you how to increase shirt size in the waist area by altering the front opening, but with limited fabric. If your shirt has sufficient fabric in the opening, watch my other video. The link is attached at the end of this video. This is the shirt that I am going to alter. The measurements on the top are good, are perfect, but I'm going to alter the waistline. The way I'm going to alter this is I'm going to alter on the front opening. So the first thing we want to do is remove the buttons all the way, starting from the third button all the way down. Then we're going to remove the stitches. Be careful when you remove the buttons so that you will not ruin the shirt. After you remove the stitches, if you find out that there's not enough fabric, we're going to have to put a fabric underneath. So looking at the other side, the shirt opening, there, the shirt has a bias tape. So I bought a similar color bias tape. Unfold the bias tape and then iron it. Iron the shirt opening to remove the folds. With your tape measure from the top towards where the waist is going to be. Then find the position where the original button used to be and measure 1 inch to 1 1/4 inches towards the opening. From there, measure 1/2 inch. This will be the distance between the button and the placket. This leaves me a 1/4 inch allowance for my bias tape. Fold where you mark the opening of the shirt or the placket, and you want to taper it all the way to the top, up to the second button. Then iron. Because you tapered the placket, the top portion or the upper portion of the shirt will have a bigger allowance underneath. So what we're going to do is we make the allowance even. So since the bottom we have 1/4 inch allowance, we're going to have to measure 1/4 inch all the way up, since we are going to sew the bias tape. Cut the excess fabric, but do not cut all the way through. Stop just right under the second button, and you're going to cut across. Now we are going to attach the bias tape. We are going to start to sew from the top. After we sew the top, now we are going to sew the sides. We are going to follow the stitching on the other side of the shirt placket. Now we are going to sew the other side of the bias tape. Now we are going to sew the buttons. And this is how the inside of the shirt looks like. This is how the shirt looks like. I was able to increase the waist area by 1 1/4 inch. Watch my other video on how I increased the waist area of a shirt, but this time without adding a bias tape. If you learned something from this video, please support my channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe. Daghang salamat.